Today we have a Dodge for you, the Dodge SUV. The tops are pretty bad on this. It was a 2016. As you can see here, the tops are, I mean, listen, the lights weren't so bad, but the tops were bad, which is common for most vehicles. See the top here too? Yeah, the top 2 to 3 inches was messed up. But we got to take everything off, even the good stuff. So, here we go. There you go. Like new. Just like new. There you go. If you're in South Florida, give us a call. 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to you. We serve Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. You could even text us your pictures for an estimate. Pictures of your headlights, and we'll call you back.